Today's challenge is very simple. We're gonna see how long it takes 3 detailers to wax a very dirty Kia Optima. This is actually our editor's vehicle and he hasn't washed it in at least 7 months. So we have all the tools and products that we need to get the job done. So Angel, how long do you think it's gonna take for us to wax this vehicle?
Maybe a little optimistic, but 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Lex, what do you think?
I think it'll take us like 30 minutes.
Like 30 minutes. Now, we're gonna clean the wheels, tires, we're gonna wash the vehicle, iron decon the vehicle, clay the vehicle, wax the vehicle, and do a few other things to make sure the vehicle is looking good. So let's go ahead and get started. In 3, 2, 1, let's go, boys! They're gonna grab their gloves because they have pretty hands.
Bruh.
Done?
Let me know when you're done.
That one's done.
Bro, there was no brush for the wheel well.
So we started off with a game plan that I would handle the rinsing and then everyone else would do the wheels, and we kind of want to leapfrog over each other on every step of the way. So for the first part, it went well, but as we went through the process, it started kind of breaking down a little bit. We couldn't really find tools and products, so we just wanted to make sure we were communicating the entire way so we can finish the vehicle in time. Okay, I'm going to the foam now.
All right.
Start washing.
We're gonna start brushing the stuff. The phone can enough. I'm gonna come back here and what? Oh, There's that one in the.
I'm doing it as I go.
Did you already wash this over here? I think you did.
Yes.
Did you already wash up here?
Yes.
What about here on the side?
Half the roof is done.
No. Have not done the doors.
I remember to get the door jams.
I was worried we weren't gonna be washing the vehicle properly. Like missed a lot of dirt on the vehicle. I'll get the whole back side right now.
Justin's car is dirty.
Really dirty. A little too dirty. Back side is done. Doing port panel. Have you done these doors?
Kind of. Already.
Sorry, Justin. Your stuff's getting wet.
Dude, there's so much dirt where I'm scared.
You can start rinsing. Oh, iron over.
The original plan was that Lex was going to call out the next step, and I did not hear it at all the entire challenge. So I kind of panicked a little bit. I was looking for some guidance, and it wasn't there, but I think I tackled it the best I could.
Our initial game plan was Lex was going to kind of instruct us throughout the entire process. He would tell us what would be the next steps, but after the first part, it wasn't really working out that way.
My job was to instruct the crew on what the next step was during the whole challenge, and I think I did a pretty good job at that.
I'll pump it.
Is there another one?
No, just one. It's fine. One. Oh God. Oh.
Is that a pump?
Yeah.
Okay, so typically we would like rinse down the vehicle and then iron it, but to save up on time, we're just gonna spray over the soap right now. If you look here, there's actually purple coming off the paint. It's a little hard to see sometimes, but that means there's iron fallout on the actual painted surfaces, and it's dissolving it right here. The more purple, the more iron that you have on the vehicle. All right, I'm gonna rinse and then y'all got immediately to clean.
Damn, we got a lot of contamination on here.
It's like sand.
Almost like the owner don't take care of it, huh?
Dude.
Almost like the owner don't take care of his own vehicle.
It's like sandpaper.
Well, he could wash his car over here, but he don't.
Almost like he works at a detailing company.
Almost.
So I go out of town a lot, and like I'll get it washed, and literally just a couple days later it'll get dirty again. There's a lot of construction, a lot of road grime, so I try to take care of it, but you know, stuff happens.
Black, what do you have left?
Just cord handle.
And that's it?
Yeah. Do that, Angel. I'm gonna throw in.
So rinse. Thoroughly on this one.
Go for wash.
That's it?
Just this door left. How's that gonna come off, right? Like you see, it's like all over here.
That is drying. Paint, I'll get this to dry with the towel.
Can you pass me another drying towel?
Yeah, they're right here.
Throw me down. Appreciate that.
Alright, so
What's next?
we got door jam.
Okay, door jams.
Door jam, wheels and tires. Oh, it just.
So we messed up on this part. We should have easily agitated this during the wash process, but now I'm doing it by hand so I don't get more dirt all over the panel here. Where's the Citro at? Citro, where you at? Citro. Where's Citro at? Citro. Where's Citro at? Where's it? Oh, there. We started off confident with the wash process, but as we started going, things kind of started breaking down. So I was really hoping that Angel wouldn't like mess something up or trip over something as it usually does in the challenges. But overall, it went well, pretty straightforward.
All right. We got 3 polishers?
Huh?
We got 3 polishers?
Yeah.
Just the other side of the roof, I think.
No, the other side. There's
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, go back to buffing.
Get the whole bumper. So we don't bump into each other.
I'm gonna go straight to the tire dressing.
I already did it.
You already dressed the tires?
Yes.
Oh, did you? Oh, did
We need the glass.
Oh, no, I'm not doing that. Okay. Okay, I take that.
Oh no! Speed! Oh no! Somebody probably a little thick over here.
Is that alcohol?
Quick final inspection.
Wait, glass house in here?
Hey, just get the.
Oh, they're in here. Sure.
Final inspection.
Right here. Well, it would be. Yeah, just get those yellow ones. Right there.
They're new, right?
Yeah. We're at 23 minutes, guys. We have got to hurry up, guys. Come on.
Sit right. Sit draw.
Hey, Josh, underneath the table.
Gotcha.
You got it?
Got it.
Is that one dry?
Dry enough. Okay, ready? Okay, we're done. I'm at the timer. 25 minutes, 24 seconds. Angel was actually right on the money saying, wait, no, he said 20 minutes. He said 30. In between, not that bad. Okay, so a few spots that needed more attention was somewhere around this whole side of the vehicle. There's a lot of marks. It wasn't coming off with the Citro, so we really need to stay there and have different chemicals and different tools to try to see if we can scrape this off safely and then polish it afterwards, because we'd have to get quite aggressive to remove this off the vehicle. If we come to the backside, there's also a lot of contaminants on there that didn't come off with the clay process. Again, we would just have to spend more time making sure we're taking out all these little fine details of contaminants on the paintwork. It's still smooth for the most part. You can somewhat feel it, but you can tell these are really dug into the paintwork. You just have to spend more time on claying it, or maybe using like Citro or something more aggressive to pull out that contaminant that's stuck in the clear coat. But the vehicle looks good overall. Let me know in the comment section down below, how long would it take you to complete a wash and wax on a vehicle of this size? If you want to check out any of the tools and products, I'll have the link down below. We'll see you on the next one.